Never skip an Hermes airport. Fly me to a Kelly. Oh my God. I got another bag. I got a Kelly from the airport. Compelly me a Kelly. Let's unbox. Oh my God, you guys. I don't know if you saw my other video, but we're gonna do Hermes airport haul, bags at the airport. I can do a longer video about the whole topic, but basically the short of it is never skip an Hermes airport, okay? You can always go in and ask for a bag. Okay, so we're gonna talk about the airport real quick and then do the unboxing of my new Kelly. Yay! Okay, Compelly me a Kelly. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, shopaholique, and Hermes. And today we're doing a quick Hermes airport convo / unboxing of getting a bag from the airport. Okay, so if that's me, and then unboxing this bag, my little Kelly family bag. Kelly family in the Kelly family. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay, you guys. First of all, I'm so excited. This was not something I ever even knew I wanted, and now I think I like it more than any of my other. This was a surprise. It's a new bag. I did not even know about it. I'd seen it, but I didn't really think about it. It was not on my wish list or anything like that. And apparently it's very hard to get bag. People wait for this bag for a while. And they also consider it like it's a very, exceptional piece. So it's technically a quota, even though it's not a quota. Like it would be your quota, it would be your bag that you have to wait for a little bit to get a quota in the US. Or if you got it in France, it would be your bag for the appointment. Like you wouldn't be able to ask for a quota as well. Make sense? So anyway, story, basically never skip an Hermes airport. Always go in, they always have bags, just have to ask, it's a different kind of game. But you go in, you ask, and they usually have stuff. And they usually will show it to you and give it to you. And there's no like pre-spend or quota or anything like that. You just go in and ask for it. I've built a relationship at this point with my SA there that I reach out to and like ask for things and they'll hold things for me. And now it's like a whole thing. This was not one of those things that they held for me. I've had that relationship for a few years now, back and forth. So they will hold back. I bought things and then they will hold bags for me. I can go pick them up, whatever. I'll tell them when I'm coming, things like that. And I mean, not hold bags for me. They're not hold. It's more like, this is what we have today. And then I'll be like, okay, great. Well, I'm going to be there around this time. Can you please hold it? And it doesn't always work that way, but I've been very fortunate. I've been very lucky to get bags. And there's no harm in asking. There's literally no harm in asking because A, if they have it, they'll give it to you. You don't have to like pre-spend. In my experience. B, it doesn't go in your profile. So it's not like it will hurt you if you get it, or it will be like, it will hurt you if you get, or you can't ask for the same bag in your home store too, or whatever, and it won't like go against your spend and your leather and things like that, in my understanding, because it's its own separate entity, its own separate thing. It's not even on your Hermes profile. So you can just get it and still not let it affect your leather or affect your quota bag or whatever, what you're waiting for at your main store. Like if you just got a bag at your main store, or if you're waiting to get a bag at your main store, and you just get this, then it won't count towards like, oh, you just got a bag, let's wait a little longer kind of thing. You know what I mean? I think. And also, if it's in Europe or anywhere else, get the VAT. And they usually have pretty good stuff. They have every single bag except for Birkins and Kellys, but they have all the Birkin and Kelly adjacent bags, which is what we have here at Birkin Kelly adjacent. I went in this time, this was my last trip. I asked for a few things. They didn't have any of the things I wanted, but I said, that's okay. I mean, just come in and like shop for some other things. There were some bracelets and just like other things that I wanted, Twillies I wanted to get that I didn't have time to get at the main store because the main store just went in and got my bag. And then while I was trying the things on, they came out and they were like, by the way, we have this. Do you want to see it? And I was like, yes, I do want to see it. Why not? And then I tried it on and I fell in love. Literally, this is like the perfect baby mix between a Birkin and a Kelly, in the sense that it's like a Birkin, big Birkin, like tote size. Put all your stuff in one big compartment, pocket, and then zip pocket in the back. But it's like a Kelly with the Kelly closure and the Kelly strap. Okay? Crossbody, long strap. And it's just like, it's a messenger bag. It's like a men's bag. And it's like, it feels a little more appropriate for work and every day, and a little more subtle, but also still elegant, classy. And I feel like it is a very coveted bag and hard to get, and it's new and people are waiting for it. Anyway, it is the Kelly, men's Kelly messenger bag in the GM size. It's perfect size to fit all your stuff. It's got two side pockets too. You can put your phone in or whatever else you need, and then one big compartment inside and a zip compartment. And I probably have already unboxed this on my other video, but I'm unboxing it again for you guys, okay? Flat pocket, zip pocket, and then it's got a huge lock, and then it's got a strap that has 6 different settings. It's not detachable, but it's got 6 different settings. Sorry, I'm just trying to do this quick, but okay. 6 different lengths, so you can wear it crossbody, and then hook it in, okay? I'm obsessed, like literally my new favorite work/travel bag. This is gonna be really exciting. I've already used it a bunch of times. I just boxed it up to unbox it for you guys. And I'm taking it literally with me on my next trip to Paris. So I'm gonna go back to the airport and be like, hey, look, and then be like, what else you got? Because I have an addiction and a problem and I can't stop shocking. Anyway, what do you guys think? Do we like it? This is literally, it's like so casual and perfect. And it's got that like messenger bag vibe / briefcase bag vibe. Easy to open and close, big flap. Look, we're Togo, black, palladium hardware, but whatever. I feel like that's more appropriate for casual everyday, even though I do love my golds. But yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Welcome to the family, my newest middle messenger. Okay, that's all I got. Let me know in the comments below. Yay! Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies. Next, I know you're valuable. I know it is. I appreciate you spending. I'll see you in the next one, baby.